How to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11 using Rufus. Step 1. Download Rufus. Open your preferred web browser. Search for Rufus and navigate to the official website. Scroll down to the Downloads section and click on the latest version to download the Rufus application. Step 2. Download the Windows 11 ISO file. In your browser, search for Windows 11 ISO download. Visit Microsoft's official website. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO from the drop-down menu and click Download. Step 3. Prepare your USB drive. Insert a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage into your computer. Ensure that there are no important files on the USB drive, as this process will erase all data on it. Step 4. Create the bootable USB drive with Rufus. Open the Rufus application. Under Device, select your USB drive from the drop-down menu. Click on the Select button next to Boot selection and choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded. For Image option, select Standard Windows installation. Under Partition Scheme, choose GPT if your system uses UEFI or MBR for BIOS/legacy systems. Leave the file system as NTFS. Click Start to begin the process. If prompted, confirm that you want to write the image in ISO image mode. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK to proceed. Step 5. Completion. Wait for Rufus to complete the process. This may take several minutes. Once done, the status bar will turn green and display Ready. Close Rufus and safely eject your USB drive. Your bootable USB drive for Windows 11 is now ready. You can use it to install or repair Windows 11 on compatible systems.